To start, fire up TradingView and pick a trading pair. Let's say Bitcoin USDT as an example. But you have the freedom to choose any pair you prefer, such as Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, or indices. The choices are endless, so go with whatever suits your preferences. Next, select the time frame that best aligns with your trading style. For optimal results, I recommend either a 5 or 15-minute time frame, but don't fret. You can choose any time frame you'd like, ranging from a speedy 1-minute time frame to a more extended daily time frame. The versatility of the strategy is incredible, making it perfect for traders of all experience levels. Now, to make the strategy easy breezy for even the newest traders, we'll be utilizing just 2 free indicators. Let me assure you that this strategy works in the real market, and I'm excited to share how you can trade with it too. To prove its effectiveness, I tested the strategy on the Bitcoin 15-minute chart, performing a backtest with 100 trades. The results, they were fantastic. Even in the worst case scenario, the strategy boosted an impressive 66% win rate, helping us achieving an incredible 89% profit in just 5 weeks. Can you believe it? During the backtest, we had 5 consecutive wins and only 2 consecutive losses, showing the strategy's potential for consistent success. But wait, there's more. The profit factor was a whopping 2.91, meaning the strategy guaranteed significant profit compared to the risk involved. Additionally, the max drawdown was a mere 1.99% after 100 trades, an incredibly low figure that highlights the strategy's ability to minimize losses. Now that you've seen the strategy's amazing performance, let's dive into the details. Head over to the TradingView's indicators section and search for the logical trading indicator. Once you find it in the results, simply click on it to add it to your chart. This powerful tool combines the benefits of the average true range ATR and the Bollinger Bands BB, and even includes a momentum option. But before we jump into the strategy, let's fine-tune its parameters for optimal performance. Start by heading to the indicator settings and navigating to the input section. Here, change the ATR period from 4 to 2, which will make the indicator more responsive to recent price movements. Next, scroll down and disable Show Bollinger Bands option, since we won't be needing them for this strategy. Now, move on to the Style tab, where we'll focus on the Essential Basis option. Make sure it's enabled. After that, go ahead and disable the Upper, Lower, Upper 2 and Lower 2 options, as we won't be using them in our strategy. Lastly, ensure that the bar color, buy and sell options remain enabled, as they're crucial for a strategy's success. Then you can disable the remaining options, as they won't be needed. As you can see in the chart, the indicator places green icons below the candles for buy signals and red icons above the candles for sell signals. However, this is not how we should trade, because relying solely on these signals can lead to losses. This is because the indicator sometimes gives counter-trend signals, which need to be identified and filtered down. It is quite easy to do this by using another indicator called 10 indicators in one. You can add this indicator to the chart by going back to the indicators section and searching for the 10 indicators in one. Now that you added the 10 indicators in one to your chart, let's customize its settings to optimize its performance with the logical trading indicator. First, go to the Inputs tab in the settings and we'll start by adjusting the EMA parameters. Set EMA 2 to 45. Then EMA 3 to 90. And then EMA 4 to 145. These values will help us analyze price trends over different time frames. Next, let's tweak the RSI parameters. Set the RSI length to 14, RSI up level to 80, and RSI down level to 20. This will help us identify overbought and oversold market conditions. Now let's move on to the MACD settings. Change the fast moving average to 45 and then the slow moving average to 90, allowing us to detect changes in the trend direction more effectively. After that, we'll modify the crossing settings. Set the fast EMA cross to 14 and the slow EMA cross to 45, helping us spot potential trend reversals. Finally, head over to the Style tab. Here, disable all buy and sell options as well as the pivot options since we won't be using them with our current strategy. Then you can leave the remaining options enabled. So when we receive a buy signal on the chart, it's crucial to cross-check it with the 10 indicators in one to confirm or filter out the signal. If all components of the 10 indicators in one are green, it indicates a bullish momentum and trend in the market, confirming the buy signal. In this case, we can confidently open a buy position at the closing price of the signal candle. To manage risk, set a stop loss at the most recent swing low and aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for the target. This strategy ensures we have a well-defined exit strategy protecting our capital while providing a favorable potential return. By using the 10 indicators in one as a filter, we confidently eliminate counter-trend signals, just like the sell signal in this example. The indicator helps us avoid entering trades that go against the prevailing market trend. For sell signals, the process is similar. We need to see a bearish momentum and trend confirmed by 10 indicators in one. In this example, all components are red, indicating a high probability of a successful sell trade. We can enter the sell position and set our stop loss and target following the same guidelines as the buy trade. As you can see, the buy signals in these examples were effectively filtered out due to the bearish momentum in the market, indicated by the 10 indicators in one. This demonstrates the power of using this indicator as a filter, helping us avoid potential losing trades and focus on high probability opportunities.